Welcome, this is Math Learning Time. In this video, we will be learning the rules and properties of algebra. In previous video, we tackled some of the rules and properties of algebra. We had the associative, cumulative, distributive, and inverse of operations. Now, let's learn for more. Are you ready? Okay. First, we have the negation properties. In these properties, we must be careful not to make arithmetic mistake when dealing with negative sign and subtraction. Properties of negation dictates multiplication of negative numbers. Let's say if you multiply a negative numbers in a positive number, your result will always be negative. Let's say negative a multiplied with b is equals to negative ab. For example, negative 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to negative 12. And if x multiplied with negative y is equals to negative xy. Next negation properties is a negative sign multiplied with any number would equal to be negative. For example, a negative multiplied with 12 would be negative 12. That negative sign, there's an attached invisible 1, that is negative 1 multiplied by 12 is equals negative 12. Next, we have another negation properties. If we have to multiply two negative numbers, the result will always be positive. Let negative multiplied with negative a is equals positive a. Let's say, for example, a negative 1 multiplied with negative 3 is equals to positive 3. And also, if we have a negative a multiplied with negative b is equals to positive ab. Let's say, for example, a negative 3 multiplied with a negative 4 is positive 12. Our next negation properties is if we have negative outside the parenthesis, that negative attached to an invisible 1 will be distributed to every positive term inside the parenthesis. Let negative multiply with a plus b is equals to negative a plus negative b. Let's, for example, a negative multiplied with the group of x plus 3 would be negative x plus negative 3. Because multiplying the negative 1 with x will give you negative x, and multiplying negative 1 and positive 3 will give you negative 3. This will give you the result of negative x plus negative 3 is equals to negative x minus 3. Then, let's have our last negation properties. Let negative multiplied with a group of a minus b is equals to negative a plus b. A negative outside the parenthesis will be distributed into every terms inside the parenthesis. Let's say, for example, a negative multiplied with a group of x minus 3 is equals to negative x plus 3. Because if we multiply the invisible negative 1 with x and negative 3, we will get the result of negative x minus negative 3. Then, multiply the negative and the negative 3, we will get the positive 3. Well, this is all for our negation properties. Hope you learned something in this video. Till next time, have a wonderful math learning. Bye!